Hello everyone, it's me Chevy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to lock mouse cursor inside a particular program window in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application named as Lock Cursor Tools. On the first list you'll see its official website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see your download option. Just click on it. So finally the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract the zip file. Let's just open the extracted folder. Let's just double click the software installer, click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish and wait for a few seconds. Now the application has started, so you can see some instruction here written. You can read it if you want to read it. Just click on OK. Now you will see the icon is appearing on the taskbar tray menu icon, as you can see right now. Just right mouse click on it. Now you can see here lock and unlock cursor is written, the shortcut key, as you can see, Ctrl Alt and I. And now just above to it you can see here one option written, select window. So firstly let me open say one program. Just to give you an example, say File Explorer. So I've opened one program, so this is a one program window. Now just right mouse click on this lock cursor tools icon again, and now you will see here an option written, select window and lock. Just click on it. Now select the respective program that you want to lock. So now you can see I've selected the File Explorer. So now you can see whenever I move the mouse cursor, the cursor is not moving beyond this program window. So if I maximize it, so I can move the mouse cursor till the end of the program windows. So if you want to unlock it, just move your mouse cursor to the left top corner. So you can see here one icon, unlock icon. Just click on it. Now it will get unlocked. Now I'm free to move my mouse cursor beyond this program window icon. So by using this cool application named as Lock Cursor Tools, you can easily lock mouse cursor inside a particular program window in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.